Decorators, welcome back to our channel, where we're diving into the magical world of Christmas decorations. And today, we're all about the classic, timeless combination of red and white. Let's start with why decorating in red and white for Christmas is an absolute winner. These colors scream festive vibes. They bring about a sense of tradition, warmth, and that cozy feeling we all associate with the holiday season. Red and white are traditional Christmas colors, evoking memories of Santa, candy canes, and the North Pole. Using these colors creates a timeless ambience that never goes out of style. These colors work well in various settings, from a modern, minimalistic look to a more traditional and cozy feel. You can blend them in so many different ways, making them perfect for any home decor style. The contrast between red and white is visually stunning and instantly draws attention. It's like a visual feast for the eyes, creating a festive atmosphere wherever it's used. Now, let's move on to some practical tips to ace your red and white Christmas decor game. Maintain a balance between red and white elements. Too much of one color might overpower the other. Think about where you want to use each color to create focal points without overwhelming the space. Add depth and interest by incorporating different textures. Knit stockings, furry throws, shiny baubles, and matte finishes can create a delightful contrast in your decor. Enhance the festive atmosphere with twinkling lights. Use white fairy lights to illuminate your red and white setup, creating a magical ambience. Let's talk about some trendy ideas that are taking the red and white Christmas decor world by storm. Embrace the Scandinavian-inspired minimalist look. Think white walls, red accents, natural wood, and simple yet elegant decor pieces. Combine red and white with rustic elements like burlap, pine cones, and wooden ornaments. This style adds a cozy, countryside charm to your space. Dive into the whimsical world of candy canes. Use oversized candy cane decorations, incorporate swirls of red and white, and even add candy cane striped ribbons to your tree. Wondering what's trending in the world of red and white Christmas decorations this year? Here are a few hot items you might want to snag. Vintage-inspired red and white ornaments are making a huge comeback. Look for intricate designs or handcrafted pieces to add a nostalgic touch to your tree. Whether it's tablecloths, stockings, or throw pillows, red and white plaid patterns are everywhere. They bring that cozy, cabin-in-the-woods feel to any space. Elevate your dining experience with red and white themed table settings. Mix and match dinnerware, napkins, and centerpieces to create a merry atmosphere. Create your own red and white ornaments using materials like clay, felt, or even recycled materials. Craft snowflakes, Santa hats, or candy cane-inspired shapes for a unique tree decoration. Design your wreath using red and white elements. Combine holly berries, faux snow, ribbons, and ornaments to make a stunning entrance statement. Make a DIY advent calendar using red and white envelopes or boxes. Fill them with treats or heartfelt messages to count down the days until Christmas. Let's explore how to implement the red and white Christmas theme in various areas of your home. Adorn your mantle with garlands of red berries and white candles. Add red and white throw pillows or blankets to your couch for an instant festive touch. Display red and white dish towels, oven mitts, and aprons. Hang candy cane striped ornaments or wreaths in the kitchen for a pop of color. Create a cozy Christmas sanctuary by dressing your bed with red and white bedding or adding festive throw pillows. Hang string lights or place red and white candles on bedside tables for a warm ambience. Nature-inspired elements can elevate your red and white Christmas decor. Use pine cones and evergreen branches as accents. Spray paint pine cones white or dip them in glitter for a dazzling effect. Incorporate red berries, pomegranates, or apples into your decorations. Fill clear vases with these items for a simple yet beautiful centerpiece. Craft wreaths and garlands using fresh greenery for a natural, aromatic touch. Accentuate them with red ribbons or berries for a festive look. Extend the holiday cheer beyond your indoor spaces by decorating your outdoor areas. Illuminate your home's exterior with red and white string lights. Outline windows, doors, and pathways for a welcoming feel. Dress up your porch with red and white themed decor. Consider adding potted poinsettias, a festive welcome mat, or a red and white themed wreath on the door. Place oversized red and white candy canes or peppermint swirl stakes on your lawn. They add a whimsical touch to your outdoor decor. To ensure a cohesive and harmonious red and white Christmas decor. While adding variety is great, try to maintain consistency in shades of red and white throughout your decorations to create a unified look. Layering different shades and textures of red and white items can add depth and visual interest to your decor. Sometimes, less is more. If your space starts feeling cluttered, consider editing or rotating decorations to maintain a clean and inviting atmosphere. Experiment with various types of ribbons in these colors. Use wide ribbons to adorn stair railings, wrap them around presents, or tie them into bows for an elegant touch. Create stunning centerpieces by arranging red and white flowers like poinsettias, roses, or carnations in vases or bowls filled with white pebbles or faux snow. Adorn your windows with red and white curtains or hang snowflake-shaped ornaments for a whimsical effect. You can also use window clings in red and white designs for a temporary but festive touch. Incorporate a section of your home dedicated to a mini Santa's workshop for the kids. Use red and white tables, chairs, and decorations to create a magical crafting space. Incorporate decorations inspired by beloved characters like candy canes, nutcrackers, or Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer to bring joy and excitement to the little ones. Lay down red and white table runners or placemats to set the tone for your festive meals. Mix and match solid colors with patterns for added visual interest. Use red and white dinnerware, glasses, and cutlery to complement the theme. Consider adding small touches like candy cane striped napkin rings for a charming detail. Get creative by repurposing items you already have. Paint old mason jars white and tie red ribbons around them to create DIY candle holders or vases. Opt for sustainable decorations like wooden ornaments, fabric garlands, or dried fruit and citrus slice ornaments painted red and white. Simmer a pot of water with cinnamon sticks, cloves, and orange peels to infuse your home with a warm, inviting aroma. Add a few drops of peppermint or vanilla essential oils for that extra holiday scent. Place red and white scented candles around your home. Choose fragrances like cranberry, peppermint, or pine to enhance the festive atmosphere. Decorate your tree with white lights, red and white ornaments, wooden accents, and felted decorations for a Scandinavian-inspired look. Use red and white striped ribbons, candy cane ornaments, and peppermint-themed decorations to create a sweet and nostalgic Christmas tree. Red and white are a match made in Christmas heaven. Whether you opt for a traditional look, a modern twist, or something in between, these colors are sure to bring festive cheer to your home. Red and white Christmas decorations provide endless possibilities to infuse your home with holiday cheer. Whether you're aiming for a cozy traditional feel or a modern twist, incorporating these colors in various aspects of your decor will undoubtedly bring joy and warmth to your celebrations. We hope these additional ideas and tips inspire you to create a festive wonderland that captivates the spirit of the season. That wraps up today's video on red and white Christmas decoration ideas. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more holiday inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating, and Merry Christmas!